Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have an open collaboration and it's called the Decorated Tea Party Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. The co-hostesses of this collab is Style with Pat, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me. We have Mary Key's Happy Home Decor, the Rodgers House, Diva Decorating, and Table Talk with Robin. So I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below in the description box. I'm also going to be posting the channel links, and I'm also going to put up the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels to support us, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody did their decorating for their tea party. So here we are, right after the holidays, and it's time to have some downtime. We need to have some tea and just relax. So I'm going to decorate this tabletop and just try to make it look as beautiful as possible. Put some tea down, a little snack, and we are going to relax. So this is absolutely a gorgeous vase. It's one of my DIYs, and pretty much everything on the table is, and I have a video for all of those. So I'm going to try to see if I can find the links to those and link them below. But we're going to decorate this. This is one of my favorite things to do and make everything look pretty for me before I sit down and have my tea. So this is one of my favorite pieces. The first one was the red one, but this one right here, this tall vase, I absolutely love tall vases and I love creating them. And this was definitely something that was one of my favorites. And all of these vases had some crushed glass. Now the two little mini candle holders on the end did have a Christmas wreath around them. So overall, I think all of it came out gorgeous. So it's always good to remember that even during this hectic time, because this is a very hectic season, and everybody's running around and everybody's just like, sometimes they can even get overly stressed, and it's always good to take down time and quiet time for yourself. And that's what I use my tea time or coffee time for. Today we are going to be having some chocolate because that's what I'm craving, and then we are going to be having some tea. And I'm just really just enjoying my time, and I hope that you guys are doing the same. So I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, Glam Elegant Living, and all of the co-hostesses. They're beautiful women, and I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Okay, so it looks like we're ready for the reveal, so let's head on over there. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Happy holidays, guys.